Ano yan guys? So it's less than 2 weeks before Park Seo-joon The Ultimate Fan Fest na gaganapin nga sa Araneta Coliseum on July 12. And guess what guys? Hindi lang yon because the one and only Ann Curtis is also attending the event. Like what? Ann Curtis and Park Seo-joon, magme-meet ba sila knowing na Ann Curtis is also a huge K-drama fan and imposibleng hindi niya bet si Park Seo-joon, Opa! Magka-Korean ba si Ann? Ano kayang sasabihin niya kay Opa? You know naman guys na Ann Curtis energy is on a different level din. Ano kayang gagawin nila together? Siya na ba yung representative natin para tanungin yung mga gusto nating itanong kay Opa, yung mga gusto nating malaman kay Opa. So guys, so don't miss this chance to celebrate a dream host meets heartthrob moment. Yes, hindi pa huli ang lahat guys, so because tickets are still available at ticketnet.com.ph. Go buy yours now guys. Hindi mahalatang excited ako, no? Sulit na sulit talaga guys. So yeah, ano ba hinihintay nyo? Let's go, Kaza! What if mag-reenact sila ng scene sa K-drama, no? Oh my God! Let's see kung anong mangyayari sa FanFest. Sabay-sabay nating abangan. Yun lang, anyang!